Okay, so here is one way on how you can put money on your Gcash account. So you have to download Buzzbreak. Isa tong app wherein you can earn money by just browsing news and browsing videos. So you download it in the Play Store. So once you download it, you have to register on the app. Okay, let's just wait for it to be downloaded. Medyo matagal. Okay, so after you download, open the app, then what you need to do is to register, continue with Facebook. Okay, so click nyo lang yon, then continue as, ayun kung sino man kayo. Alright, so once you registered it, kung napapansin nyo, meron dito na gift icon. So, every time na parang mapupuno yun, you just click that icon so that you can earn points. So, there would be a corresponding point for every video that you watch and for every news that you watch. So, like this one, I'm watching a video right now. So, kagaya lang ng mga pinanonood nating videos sa mga sa YouTube, sa mga commercials, ayan. May timer dun sa baba. So, once the timer stops, so you can earn. The earning depends on the video or the readable materials that you read. So, since tayo naman is nanonood naman tayo lagi ng video sa Facebook tapos sa YouTube. So, why not use uh, Buzzbreak app to watch video. So, you don't need to install naman yung mga apps na inaano nila. O yan, congratulations, you earn 3,000 points. So, you just browse dito sa dito sa app. So, maraming ways on how to earn. So, when you refer persons, when you refer 5 persons, you get an extra 400 pesos. So, the first cash out can be like 500 pesos per the cash out. So, once na nag-register kayo, there would be a referral link that will be given to you. Yun yung ituturo ninyo or ibibigay ninyo. Ayan. Invite 5 friends and get paid in Gcash. So, once naka-invite kayo ng 5 friends, 500 pesos yung pwede nyo i-cash out. So, how to get your first cash out? So, i-click nyo lang yung wallet app dun sa baba. Tapos, kung napapansin niyo, ayan, we're reading news right now. So, kung mapapansin niyo, meron dito na book icon na parang timer. So, once the timer is full, scroll up and down ka lang para mapuno yung timer. Napakadali lang niya. Tapos, once na finish na siya, just scroll down yung sa pinakababa. Then, wait for a few seconds para makredit sa account mo yung ano. Ayan, you have earned 300 points. So, napakadali lang niyang gamitin. So, basa lang kayo, watch lang kayo ng videos. Tapos, merong mga double rewards dyan. Yan, merong nakalagay dito na you can click or you can claim a reward. Yan, panood lang ng videos. Napakadali. So, every time na magwa-watch kayo ng videos, may corresponding points yan. Then, pag naipon nyo na yung points, meron din corresponding amount for the cash out. So, makikita nyo naman doon sa app kung magkano yung kinakailangan nyo ipunin ng points. At ang maganda kanyan, madali. Madaling makaipon ng points. Habang ginagamit mo yung app, habang nanonood ka ng videos, habang nakakapag-refer ka. Okay, so kagaya nito, nagwa-watch na naman ako ng videos. Let's try to check. O, hindi nyo na kinakailangan i-download yung app. Ayan. Cancel nyo lang siya. Or back button. Tapos, ayan. You already won like 650 points. So, napakadaling yung first cash out niya is ayan. So, ito yung referral code. So, once you refer a person, kinakailangan yung i-refer, i-input dito yung referral code. Kagaya nito, since I referred you, so here's my referral code. You just have to type it. So, make sure na bawat referral ninyo, ibibigay nyo yung referral code at tuturuan nyo sila on how to input the referral code. Para makita nyo yung enter referral code, ano na yon, button na yon, you just click wallet. Tapos yan, you just input the referral code. So, ito yung referral code ko, B22827371. So, just click confirm. So, once na ma-enter mo yung referral code, ma-enter nung friend mo yung referral code, you automatically have 2,000 points to be added in your account. Ayan, napakadali. So, meron din ditong ibang mga tasks. So, ayan, invite friends, share Buzzbreak, read news. So, lahat ng mga tasks na yan would have corresponding points na iipunin ninyo. Napakadali lang. Sobrang napakadaling mag-ipon ng points. Then, syempre, mas mataas yung points when you invite. So, mas madaling maka-cash out. Okay? So, ayan. Browse nyo lang yung app para makita ninyo. Ayan. So, get your first cash out now. So, paano? You just click the wallet button, enter your Gcash number for the cash out. O, yan. So, may mga ads na ganyan. So, okay lang yan. Just let it be. X nyo lang. Hintayin nyo lang na mag-load yung ads. Exit. Tapos, ito yung mga corresponding points. So, 20,000 points would be 1 peso. 500,000 points is 23 pesos and 51 cents. And so on. So, napakadaling ipunin yung points na yan once na ginamit nyo ng ginamit yung app. Tapos, that's the box na ilalagay nyo yung Gcash number ninyo. So, wag kayong mag-alala. Kahit i-enter nyo yung Gcash number nyo, your Gcash account is really very safe. What you just have to do is just to enter your Gcash number, the phone number that you use to create your Gcash account. Wala silang hihingin na MPIN or kahit anong PIN number. Basta ang ilalagay nyo lang is yung phone number ninyo. So, safe na safe po yung account nyo. So, once you enter the phone number that you use to create your Gcash account, you just click confirm. And then, okay na. Once na na-reach nyo na yung corresponding points, pwede na kayong mag-cash out. Okay? So, that's another app that you can have. It's free. It's legit. So, thank you so much for watching. And sana makapag-earn tayo sabay-sabay. This is a truly legit app. Have a good day.